Ayan, so hello guys, again I'm Ralph, I am from Baguio and I'm a froghead, and today po gusto ko lang po mag-share sa inyo ng favorite wood and rose combination ko in perfumery. Now, when we talk about wood and rose, actually, isa to sa, I would say, isa sa mga overused profiles no, in perfumery, and for sure, you have seen lots of videos sharing yung favorite na wood and rose combo nila at perfumery, and siguradong hindi nawawala to. This is Oud Ispahan from the House of Dior, real high quality ng rose, no, and it utilizes a good dose of synthetic wood, no, but yeah, no, para maiba naman, no, gusto ko pong mag-share sa inyo ng real wood naman and rose combination in my collection. And yeah, no, side notes lang, no. One, does it matter if it's synthetic or real wood? For me, it does, no, kasi while it is true that synthetic woods, no, gives you an idea of what wood smells like, no, pero most of the time kasi malaking similarities nila, and most of the time it's made for the masses, no, it's made to be light, no, it's made to be palatable, no, pero iba kasi when you talk about real wood, real wood, no, it if you want to go deeper, no, sa real wood, iba pa rin po yung real thing, no. And another one, no, if you will notice, no, as we go along sa video na to, no, I'll be speaking about different types of wood, no, and does it matter if it's Indian or Persian or Cambodian? Yes, no, kasi may differences sila sa profiles, no, depende po yan sa country, no, or sa types ng agarwood or the Aquilaria tree. So anyway, no, siguro I'll be sharing more about that sa ibang video, but yeah, without further ado, ito yung favorite ko in my collection na merong real wood and rose. So number one, this is called, ayun, so this is called a beautiful bottle, a heavy bottle. This is called Octavian from the House of Electimus London. So this has a high quality rose, no, I could imagine red rose, and this has Persian wood. So for me, Persian wood is it's toned down on its animalic profile, no, it's more smoky and mas sweet siya for me, no, and for me dito sa Octavian mas angat yung rose, no, but it's not sharp, no, it's not, alam mo yon, hindi niya pinapaalis yung wood, no, hindi niya pinapaalis sa stage, no, it blends really well with the wood, no. And siguro if there's perfume associations, if you have tried The Night ng Frederic Malle, or if you have tried Portrait of a Lady, imagine combining yung dalawa na yon, and yeah, you get Octavian from Electimus London. So number one is Electimus London's Octavian. Number two, siguro this is the first time you'll be seeing this, no, kasi naman it's fairly new, no, to the house, no. So this is called Dubai. Ayan, this is called Dubai from the House of Bortnikov, a beautiful bottle, often mistaken as a Roja bottle, but yeah, no, Dubai from the House of Bortnikov. Imagine, no, Ombre Nomad ng Louis Vuitton and Oud Maracuja ng Maison Crivelli, sorry. You use real wood sa mga yan, kasi yung Ombre Nomad and Oud Maracuja, they utilize synthetic wood, no, pero ito, no, this one uses real Indian wood, so may funk siya, no, definitely may funk siya, and imagine it's smoky, it's a bit funky, and also beside doon sa funky na Indian wood, and it's worth noting that there's also leather. So imagine Indian wood wrapped with this high quality leather, and beside that Indian wood wrapped in leather is a basket of premium fruits, no, So this has sweetness, this is fruity, and this has real wood, no? And I could imagine Dubai, yung nightlife ng Dubai. I could imagine the deserts of Dubai. So this is amazing and this is really strong. Actually, nung dinala ko to sa isang sniff event, nagustuhan to even ng mga frag heads na hindi pa sila into real wood, no? So yan, Dubai from the House of Bortnikov. And the third one, speaking of, no, Frederick Malle, no, this is called The Night. Ayan, so this is called The Night from the House of Frederick Malle. Imagine if you have tried Portrait of a Lady, no, you add a hefty dose of Indian wood. So there's funk to it, pero the rose, the high quality rose comes in, no, creating for me a what I would term as clean animalic. So you know there's funk, no, pero it's a high quality funk, parang ganon, if there's such a thing, no, because of how the rose smoothens the composition. So yeah, this is amazing. I believe 10% nito ay real Indian wood. So yeah, as you can see here, the perfumer is Dominic Ropion, no, amazing perfumer, indeed a master of his craft, no. And The Night is really strong, no. The Night is amazing. And by the way, this is a 2019 batch of The Night, no. So I don't know kung kamusta yung mga bagong batch, and I don't know kung mataas pa bang percentage ng real wood ang nilagay nila. But yeah, no, The Night, guys, from the House of Frederick Malle, this is amazing, no. And the fourth one, no, is called Triad, no. So yeah, Triad from the House of Bortnikov, guys, no, one of the best rose and wood combo I've tried in my life, no. This has, kaya Triad yung pangalan niya kasi it's a trio of wood, no. So this has Sri Lankan wood, this has Thai wood, and this has Chinese wood. So ang Chinese wood, guys, no, it's more herbaceous, it's more medicinal, no. And this is amazing, no. And it uses, you know, na really high quality ng rose, no. And grabe yung juice color niyan, guys, no. So Triad from Bortnikov is, if you want to try real wood and rose, no, and you're going deeper sa profile na to, definitely Triad is a must have sa collection nyo, no. So again, Triad from Bortnikov. And the last one, this is my favorite one. So this is called, ayan, this is amazing, guys, no. This is called Oud Maximus from the House of Bortnikov. Now this is a gem for me. Actually, first time ko tong na-try was 2023, no, from Pops Ian. Shout out Ian. And from there, no, pambihira talagang hinahanap ko na to. And finally, no, nagkaroon na rin ako nito. This utilizes high quality rose, no. I would say itong Triad and itong Oud Maximus, same sila ng direction ng rose, no, pero siguro this is more forward sa oud, no. But yeah, no, ilalagay natin somewhere here, but this has an array of real wood, and this is really masterful from Dmitry Bortnikov. Actually, he created this, no, for his son Maxim, kaya Oud Maximus, no. And siguro it's maximizing wood, no, and his ability, no, not only yung pag-source and distillation of wood, but also his ability in wood and in rose, no. So yeah, no, a beautiful combination ng florals and ng wood. So yeah, guys, Oud Maximus again from the House of Bortnikov. So yun lang, guys, no. Again, real wood and rose, no, para maiba naman. And I don't know if you have tried real wood sa journey ninyo, but yeah, no, I would say it's worth it. So yun lang, guys, maraming salamat po.